Incident definition. Clearly define what constitutes an incident for your organization, including different severity levels. So, incident definition is the first phase of incident response plan. This is essential to ensure that the organization can identify, classify, and respond to issues na makaka-compromise sa security. Hindi maibaran kung minor ba o grabe ang threat. Incident response team. Establish a dedicated team with clear roles and responsibilities, including incident handlers, analysts, communicators. So, incident response team, establish a dedicated team. So, dapat this group of people are professionals. Dapat nakadivide na area roles and responsibilities. Dapat may na incident handlers para mag-manage sa problem. Dapat may ma-assign sa investigation ng mga analysis. Dapat liwat may ma-assign sa mga communicators para sa pag-solve sa security incident. Communication plan. Outline communication, channels and procedures for internal and external stakeholders, including legal counsel, law enforcement, and affected parties. So, communication plan. So, when it comes to security incident, a communication plan is a strategic document that outlines kung paano ang information pag-share sa internal mo ni IT, management, and legal counsel. And external are the customers and partners. So when we say communication channels, mo ito na kung nano ang gagamiton to share the information, mo ini ang emails, phones, etc. Incident handling procedures. Develop detailed procedures for each stage of the incident response process. Incident handling procedures, mao ini ang standards na steps kung nano ang procedures sa pag-handle sa incident. Kung paano nira pag-response and pag-minimize if may da incidents. For example, if may da incident, dapat sa na organization naka-ready na ira incident handling procedures kay there is always a problem na maabot so dapat may da solution. An WSSU, in case of incident, may da Python sira handling procedures kung paano pag-mitigate sa problem. Detection and analysis. Establish methods for identifying potential incidents and analyzing their scope. So, ini na detection and analysis, mao ini ang time na ang potential security threats kay identified and verified na. So, dili na sa phase analyze kung how it occurred. Dili na ang time na pag-investigate sa entry points kung paano nakasulod and how far the incident has spread. Containment. Implement steps to isolate the affected system and prevent further spread of the incident. So, containment. So, after madakpan, kung di kang ang problema, may nanayat kintatawag na containment. From the word containment, it means imo na i-prevent an incident to spread. Mo ni ang time na maghihimo kam way kung paano niyo i-contain ang problema na di rin na mag-spread to other parts of environment. Kaya natakpan mo na, so dapat di rin mo na payan mag-spread. Pareho gudlasan kawatan, kung natakpan mo na, di rin mo na palayon. Eradication. Remove the root cause of the incident and restores affected system to a secure state. So, eradication. Kaumasan containment, maghihimo kit ways kung paano nun pagtanggal na sa incident like eliminating any malicious code, closing vulnerabilities, and ensuring that no traces of the threat remain. Kaya if may Python may bilin, magsasarang na balik. So, this step is also one of the most important phase kay dapat i-eradicate na ang threat para dir na magbinalik-balik. Recovery. Restore data and system to their original functionality and ensures business continuity. So, recovery. So, after you eradicate the threat, you have to recover, restore data and system. So, the goal is to bring system back online securely and confirm that any vulnerabilities but have been addressed to prevent sa pagbalik. Post-incident review. Conduct of true review of the incident to identify lessons learned and improve future response effort. So, post incident review. So mao ini ang lesson learned phase, mao ini ang time na na-solve ang tanan na problema. Ang kailangan sininala dapat maging lesson learned kung nano ang maitabo sa past. So dapat mas maging strong pa ang incident response plan para diri pareho kung nano ang nainabo. So that's all. Thank you.